Welcome to today's lesson on accounts receivable and getting customers to pay. As an entrepreneur, one of your biggest challenges is ensuring that money flows into your business consistently. When customers don't pay on time, it can seriously impact your cash flow and business operations. Today, you'll learn proven strategies for collecting money owed to your business while maintaining professional relationships with your customers. These techniques will help you turn outstanding invoices into actual cash in your bank account. Accounts receivable represents money that customers owe your business for goods or services you've already delivered. Think of it as an IOU from your customers. For example, when you send an invoice to a client but haven't received payment yet, that amount becomes part of your accounts receivable. This includes credit sales where customers buy now and pay later, and any situation where you've completed work but are waiting for compensation. Essentially, accounts receivable is your future cash flow from current sales activities. Managing your accounts receivable effectively is crucial for 4 key reasons. First, it maintains healthy cash flow, ensuring money consistently enters your business to cover expenses and investments. Second, it enables business growth by providing capital you can reinvest into expansion opportunities. Third, it provides financial stability by reducing the risk of bad debts and write-offs that can damage your bottom line. Finally, proper accounts receivable management helps you maintain professional relationships with customers while still collecting what you're owed, creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. The best collection strategy is preventing payment problems before they occur. Start by conducting credit checks to verify your customers' creditworthiness before extending credit terms. Establish clear payment terms up front, including specific due dates and late fee policies, so customers know exactly what's expected. Offer multiple convenient payment options like credit cards, bank transfers, or online payments to make it easy for customers to pay you. Finally, set appropriate credit limits based on each customer's payment history and financial capacity to minimize your risk exposure. Follow a structured timeline to maximize your collection success. On day 0, send a clear invoice with explicit payment terms and due dates. After 15 days, send a friendly reminder via email or phone call requesting payment. At the 30-day mark, escalate to a formal written notice that includes any applicable late fees. If payment still hasn't been received after 60 days, consider final actions such as hiring a collection agency or pursuing legal remedies. This systematic approach ensures you're being proactive while giving customers reasonable opportunities to pay. When communicating with customers about overdue payments, always maintain a professional and respectful tone. Document all communications for your records and legal protection. Offer flexible payment plan options to help customers who are experiencing temporary financial difficulties. Be persistent but patient, as aggressive tactics often backfire. Avoid threatening or aggressive language. Never call customers outside of business hours. Don't discuss their debt with third parties, and avoid making unrealistic payment demands. Remember, the goal is to collect payment while preserving the business relationship. Understanding the legal aspects of debt collection is essential for protecting your business. Familiarize yourself with debt collection laws in your jurisdiction, including fair debt collection practices and consumer protection regulations. These laws vary by location and can significantly impact your collection activities. Maintain detailed documentation of all communications, payment agreements, and collection efforts. This documentation serves as legal protection if disputes arise. Most importantly, always consult with legal professionals before pursuing aggressive collection actions to ensure you're operating within the law and protecting your business interests. Let's recap the essential points for effective accounts receivable management. Prevention through clear terms and credit checks is your first line of defense against payment problems. Consistent, professional communication helps you maintain positive relationships while collecting outstanding payments. Acting quickly with a structured timeline maximizes your chances of successful collection. Finally, staying compliant with legal requirements and documenting everything protects your business. Remember, effective accounts receivable management is not just about collecting money. It's about protecting your cash flow and enabling sustainable business growth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.